What's good? What's good? Social media, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, whomever. This is Pursuit of Freedom, the channel. Clarence is the narrator. Just a simple video to give you some more food for thoughts, investments, helping people plant seeds and grow money. But you got to go to the money tree. I got you looking at the market to start out. This is TC2000. It's the software. But the market has been struggling. It's been getting beat up so bad to the point where I haven't really even been touching it. Sometimes the best trade is no trade. Um, Sometimes the best investment is no investment. But we do have some investment vehicles that take advantage of the lack or the slack or the fact that the market is getting beat down. The bear has been backhanding the bull lately. Bear slapping the shit out the bull right about now. But come on back over here to Trade King and show you some of these here inverse direction uh, investments. Now this is DRIP. DRIP is the ticker symbol. It represents oil and gas. And as we know right now, oil and gas have been falling off a cliff. So when oil is falling, DRIP is rising. I'm going to slide in the secret sauce, the short watch list. And you could just type in direction and Yahoo Finance, and you should get some of these ETFs. Let's look at the SPXU. This is Pro Shares, Ultra Pro Short, the S&P 500. Now let's go back to the market. The S&P 500 is now at 25.99, or at least on the close of Friday. I think right now, if I go to Yahoo Finance, the S&P is back above 26 by $3. Let me refresh that to see if it is. Nope, back beneath. Give it a little bit of time. Go back to the finance home again. 25.98. So I'm expecting selling to continue to increase, which is perfect for what I'm getting at in this video, because when the market is being sold off, sometimes, man, you ain't gonna find it if you ain't looking for it. But they got investment vehicles. You'd have bought in this thing on the 4th, which was Tuesday, 20%. That's always worthy of taking profits. And you could have did that 3 different times. Oh, look like money to me, smell like money. So you can, if your account ain't big enough, if you ain't got enough money to short the overall market, you can buy a basic short inverse investment vehicle. The QQQ represents the NASDAQ. We all know the NASDAQ getting beat down. But if you buy this thing at the right time, or when the market is going the other way, as you can see, this thing moves counter trend to the overall market. Same thing with the SDOW, another one. From $14 to $17, 24% profit. I'm expecting all of these to push a little bit higher. Now they've come from some highs way back in January. So we might be getting ready to retest, depending on if this thing want to continue to fall off. This is the VIX, Ultra VIX Pro Shares, UVXY is the ticker symbol. Nice range from 45 upward to 65, 35% profit. So, I mean, hey, there's always something out that you can put money into. Always something out there you can look to buy. The VIX, you can even see that on Yahoo Finance. The VIX, they got it up 8.323%. You know what I'm saying? I think at least Friday, unless that's showing some early mornings futures movement. But here we go. 2163 is where it closed at. Okay, so I guess we are seeing some differences, because I see 2163 at the close of the daily. I see 22. What time is that? At 4. Okay. So a little slight distance, a difference. We ain't getting into the futures markets yet. Semiconductors. Direction has a bear for the semiconductors. AMD is a semiconductor I always watch. Advanced Micro. And from their highs, they falling right back down. I do like the fact that it's grinding right on that 200 day moving average. But what was that, SOX? This thing should be getting up because semiconductors are falling. This is a S&P Biotech Bear, LABD direction, daily S&P Biotech Bear, 3 times on your shares. You even got a China direction, bear times 3. I mean, we got options out here across the board. It's a matter of educating yourself, being hungry to find it. I don't put a whole watch list out here. You can just take these here, throw them on your list. Tech. We know that tech companies getting beat down. Let's look at Apple. It's always the big one that I'm thinking about. Apple getting whooped. I'm finna get ready to sell this position for $212 loss in my paper trading practice. Hey, with the market looking ugly, go back to practice. 27% off the highs. So I don't even remember what that tech one was. Small cap companies falling off. Ooh, wait. Small cap companies done cut darn near 50%, 45% off the highs. For some reason, I don't know why gold ain't skyrocketing. Okay, we got a little bit of something going on. Jump way up here to 1580, but usually gold is going up when the market's going down. For some reason, we don't have that. I almost think it's a conspiracy out against gold. You don't want to go back to the gold standard or whatever. Proud bull. So we got gush direction S&P, oil and gas, proud bull times 3. So that's telling you that oil has been going down like crazy. Whew. Man. But there's always options. This is Pursuit of Freedom.